Namaskar friends. I'm delighted to announce that the Embassy of India in Kathmandu is once again partnering with Clock3 Business Innovations to organize the third edition of ConnectIN International Entrepreneurship Conclave in Kathmandu. This is an initiative the Embassy is proud to support. It brings together the startup ecosystems of India and Nepal and celebrates the spirit of innovation that brings positive change and finds solutions to the shared challenges we face. The last two editions of the ConnectIN brought together over 1,000 Indian and Nepalis, startups, entrepreneurs, investors, venture capitalists, experts, and government officials on a common platform. We're encouraged by the results from these past editions that helped build collaborations between over 20 partners and incubated more than 45 startups and ideas. Continuing with the same spirit, the third edition of ConnectIN would focus on providing an enabling platform to our young entrepreneurs to elevate their ideas from the mind space to the drawing board and thereon into actual businesses. This edition will be bigger and bolder, with participation of Indian and Nepali startup heroes, panel discussions, peer-to-peer idea exchange sessions, and most importantly, an investment pitch by shortlisted entrepreneurs to a renowned jury of potential investors. I hope to see Nepali entrepreneurs participate actively to pitch their business ideas on 5th February 2022. Finally, we've added a special component to this year's ConnectIN, and that is the India at 75 Ideathon, which is being organized at King's College, Kathmandu from 27 to 29 January 2022. The India at 75 Ideathon is aimed at finding real solutions to real challenges in 4 sectors: cross-border commerce, agriculture marketing, urban development, and governance. The last date for sending applications for the Ideathon is January 20, 2022. I look forward to seeing young entrepreneurs of Nepal and India enthusiastically participate in the ConnectIN finale and the India at 75 Ideathon. We are excited. I hope so are you. Thank you and namaskar.